exercise, dance, sandwich, tablets, rocket, map, talk, walk. Take some exercise. Take to the floor. Take a lunch break. Take the medicine. Take off. Take a trip. Take a call. Take a walk. Champion, chess, cards, guitar, jester, piano, actors, music. Play to win. Play your king. Play the ace. Play a solo. Play the fool. Play Mozart. Play a part. Play the right notes. At the bus stop. In the sky. At home. In the pool. At the gym. In the paper. At the net. In a box. At work. In the driving seat. At the zoo. In the garden. At the airport. In your dreams. At her desk. In a bottle. In July. At 10 to 8. On Monday. In 1 hour. At night. On the hour. In 24 hours. At lunchtime. On my birthday. In the morning. At sunset. On a rainy day. In 2025. At midnight. Before midnight. After midnight.